Hi y'all, my name is Corazon Q. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you're one of my subscribers, thank you for coming back. Thank you for watching my videos. I really appreciate you guys' support. Today's Friday. I started the day by going to the treadmill. I worked out for 30 minutes. The distance was like 1.25 miles, which was actually good for a start. And yeah, I had a great day. So this was the day I was waiting for. We had a couples event that we were invited to, me and my husband, by my sister-in-law. So yeah, get ready with me. Like, let's see how the day goes. Sometimes they come to the basement by themselves and they can decide to get on the treadmill, and that's definitely not safe for them. So, but I usually tell them that when they come downstairs, they can't use the treadmill with mommy or daddy, and if we're not down here with them. So, but usually I just like to be safe, kids. They'll say yeah and do the opposite of what you told them. So I always try to just keep the treadmill, like not hook it up to power when I'm not using it. So. But yeah, it's Friday. I'm so excited today. Actually, it's more like a church. It's not a conference. My sister-in-law invited me to meet my husband. It's like a couple retreat. I think that's what you can call it, a couple retreat. So it's tonight, and I think we're gonna be like dressy, So I'm actually excited about that. But I don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair. I'm definitely not gonna go get it done now. I have to figure out what I'm gonna actually do with it. I don't know. The good thing is locks, Love my locks so much. But yeah, so we'll see how the day goes. Ya ti non se ne sta bene.
so beautiful.
Yeah.
And I can never take my eyes off her.
Hey, Dennis.
And she knows ako how my angel because she's the angel who she is. And her lips, they are the best.
Hey!
Guys, you won't believe it. When we left the event, it was snowing. When I say snowing, there was a winter storm warning. It snowed like crazy. Guys, the snow was pretty bad. Like, we could hardly see the road, but thank God we got home safe and sound. Thanks for watching my videos. If you're new here, please like and subscribe,
And see you on my next video.